Oh, he's gonna scratch you. Put him down. Hi, I'm Abby, the gal down the road, and I'm here at my home, Foundation Homestead. And this is my great niece, Jane. And this is my great nephew, Carter, and he's about to have a birthday. He's gonna turn 1. The problem is I don't have a gift for him, and I'm not gonna go anywhere to get one. So I'm taking a look around here on the homestead to see what I have, and what we have, a plethora of, yeah? Okay. What we have a plethora of is wood. So I'm gonna make him his own personalized set of blocks.
I think the blocks were a hit. Thanks for joining me, and come back next time. I look forward to it.